Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. You watched my YouTube video last week. You have seen that I have stopped averaging out for my positions in Chinese tech stocks acquired since March 2022. Reason is simple. I'm worried about the COVID lockdown in China, and if it happens yet again, the economic impact to China will not be small. Current economic situation is already pretty bad, with Li Keqiang mentioning that this situation could be worse than 2020. And currently, unemployment rate is already above 6%, while Chinese tech stocks like Bilibili, Huya, Netease shares have all gone up after game approval are made in June 2022. The current economic pressure from potential lockdown is very worrying. I would think China is unlikely to hit even 3% GDP growth in 2022 if China ever locks down again cities like Shanghai and Beijing. With this in mind, let's take a quick look at the various operating data of Huya, Douyu, and Bilibili. We can still see that Bilibili is priced at the highest market cap per monthly active users, with it at 36.9 USD per MAU, whereas Huya is at 12.7 USD and Douyu at 7.3 USD. Why is this the case? Bilibili is more diversified in terms of products, covering short videos, contents from game streaming to lifestyle and entertainment videos, etc. As for Huya and Douyu, we know clearly that Huya is the #1 gaming streaming platform with 85 million MAU, whereas Douyu is the second gaming streaming platform with 55 million MAU. With Penguin Esports recently closing down, this will likely benefit Huya more than Douyu. However, competition like that from TikTok and Kuaishou and Bilibili are also coming into the gaming space. Given the scale of Huya, too big in its field, is still under pressure of tightening regulations announced in May 2022, as well as competition arising in the gaming space. Of course, the smaller ones have closed down, but the sizable financial resources owned by TikTok and Kuaishou and Bilibili should not be enough. With this, it's natural for its pricing metric to be lower than that of Bilibili, like what I mentioned. And this is why Bilibili price to sales is 3.2x, Huya is at 0.7x, and Douyu at 0.4x. Though Huya has returned to a positive gross margin of 13.5% in 1Q 2022 as compared to around 0% gross margin in 4Q 2021, the uncertainties concerning Huya are not over yet. We still do not know the full impact of the regulatory impact on Huya and Douyu. The good thing is Huya has streamlined operations and reduced unprofitable overseas ventures and operations by Nemo TV, and this should help to reduce unnecessary costs and potentially help it to lift the gross margin, with advertising revenue growing as a percentage of revenue. The rules announced in May 2022 that could potentially impact on live streaming revenue may slightly be helped by the improving advertising revenue by game studio. Huya, as per their latest earnings conference call, mentioned that they are collaborating with Tencent and other game studio on interactions with the viewers who are playing on their platform, and this could potentially help them to customize better products and in a way help them to grow their advertising and licensing fee in the long run. All in all, I think it would still be best for any parties, including myself, to stay on the sideline and not acquire any significant positions in Huya until the 2Q 2022 and 3Q 2022 results are out to better assess the regulatory impact on Huya's earnings. If, however, should market sentiment suddenly improve for Bilibili so much so that the uptrend in pricing for Bilibili, as well as the relevant sector that Bilibili, Huya, and Douyu are in, then this could potentially help Huya as well. Nevertheless, one should remain vigilant on the Securities Exchange Commission (SEC) threat of delisting of Chinese tech stocks in the US. This would potentially even pressure Huya and Douyu more, given that they do not have a dual listing in Hong Kong as compared to Bilibili. I will appreciate the viewers to subscribe to my YouTube channel. As always, this should not be construed as any investment or trading advice. Thank you.